Hey guys, it's Matthew again, and this is our second strategy for today. And here we'll be trading the boom 600. We dropped the boom 1000. We're going to be dropping 6 strategies today, 1st of September 2025. So make sure you subscribe to the channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping today, 1st of September 2025. So here we're trading the boom 600, and we're on the D trader, and we're trading the accumulator. We're trading the accumulator right there. So once you log into your trading account, okay, so we got a number right there. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade. Once you log into your trading account, there you go. You see we won that trade right there, 4.60. I will show you when to enter the trade. You can see I had to wait for a number right there before I place that trade. Go to boom 600, log in, go to D trader, boom 600, go to accumulator. You can only trade accumulator and multiplier when you're trading crash and boom or jump indices and whatever. So once you log in, go to boom 600, go to accumulator, set the growth to 3%, enter the amount you want to stake. In this case I'm staking $20, and the profit set $4. You can set lower, but don't let it exceed $4. Don't let it exceed $4, because you can repeat the process. If you wait for like a minute or thereabout, or 2 minutes, then repeat the process again. So we're going to be placing our trade once the last 3 numbers there is between 600 and 700. You can see 601, 602, 650, 699, 695, 699, 680. But it must not exceed 700. The last 3 number that you see is 934 right there. You can see the black stuff here. You see the number. The last 3 numbers must be between 600 and 700. So that's when you click buy. So let's watch. The number is going down already. Let's watch, because soon you have to be very smart and active. It's always good to enter between 680 to 699. So that's 683 right there. I click on that trade. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade right there. So you can see we won that trade. We won that trade. So you can go on and on and on. Watch the number again, let it rebound before you place your trade. We're going to be dropping more strategies today, so we're going to be brief with this one. And for those who haven't gotten the buy sell indicator, you can see the indicator at work there. That's 11 bucks right there. I'm going to close that. We're still giving it away for free. It works on Deriv and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can use it to trade your MT5, Forex PS. You can also use it to trade your synthetic indices, your crash and boom and whatever. We're giving it away for free. For those who don't have a trading account, you can get this indicator for free. The infos will be pasted in the video description on YouTube. First step you have to do is to register for a free trading account using this link, then subscribe to all these channels. This is the second one, and this is the third one. Subscribe to all the channels. Send an email to this email address with the subject free indicator with the last 3 digits of your account that you just signed up for. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here for $12. And for those who haven't purchased a pip stripper board and top scalper board, they are both automated. They work on Deriv, and they're still pretty much effective. And there is an update coming up soon. We're working on a trading view. We're working on a trading view indicator. I'm still compiling, trying to put that indicator together. This indicator is going to work when you connect your account with the trading view, and we'll also be using a Wanda broker platform as well, and it's also going to work on Deriv. We're going to be using it to trade EU to USD, that's Euro USD, and gold as well. We're working on this update. That's why we've not released any update on the pip stripper board and the top scalper board. So soon we're going to release details. It's going to be we're going to be setting all this up for all our traders. We're going to be setting it up. We're going to be creating a Telegram channel, so we're going to be setting it up by ourselves. So all you have to do after setting it up is to, once you see enter buy, you enter the buy. Once you see enter sell, you enter the sell. And we're going to set the TP as well. We're going to set everything. So you just have to, it works on the mobile phone, so you just have to log into your account, enter buy, enter sell. We've been testing this for quite a while now, and the success rate is 99%. But we want to compile it and make it compatible with the Deriv interface. It's already working with the Ohanda broker platform, so but we're trying to make it compatible with the Deriv. So we're going to release update on that soon. Just watch out and make sure you subscribe to all our channels. We're also giving away free ebook on how to trade Forex and static indices. When you order any of our bots to get the indicator for free, make sure you subscribe to all the channels. The infos are right here. There's a link to order the Pips Stripper bot, is right there. The link to order the Toscaper bot as well. Check the video description on YouTube. For those who don't have a trading account, use this link in the video description to sign up for a free trading account. And these are the links to subscribe to our channels. Check the video description. There are other infos as well that might be useful. Check the video description on YouTube. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.